Hello friends, today we are repairing a hair straightener. You can see its name on the screen. Let me show it closer. The straightener does not turn on and does not work. Let's disassemble it and see what the problem is. The screws here are arranged in a triangle. I don't have one like that, but I picked up a hexagon with which you can unscrew these screws. We continue to disassemble the rectifier. I want to ring the entire cable. It would be best to replace it completely. But first, let's apply 220 volts to the rectifier and see if it works. We press the button and then the indicator lights up, indicating that it works. The heating elements start to heat up, which means that the problem is not in the rectifier, but in the wire. I took the plug apart and now I'm going to cut off a little bit of the wire so that it looks nicer, and maybe that's where the break is. I fixed the plug. Now it looks much better than before. Now let's try to ring the wires. One contact rings, but the second one, unfortunately, does not. The second wire break seems to be on the other side of the wire. I removed the electrical tape that was here, and this is what we see. One wire is torn off. There was also hot glue under the electrical tape. I removed it as well. Now I will ring the wire again. It seems that the wire is torn off in another place. Let me show you. As you can see, the wire is not ringing, which means we have a break somewhere here. So, friends, another break has been found. Look. As you can see, 3 breaks have been found in the wire. Now I will restore the wire. To strengthen it, I will apply thermal adhesive and put heat shrink on top. Well, friends, everything is ready. This is what the plug looks like. And this is what the plug that fits the rectifier looks like now. Let's check. Press the button and the red indicator lights up. The heating elements are heating up, which means everything is working. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.